Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SRNE. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis over the past couple of days, so that is where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And what I've talked about in the past couple of days seems to be coming into play here, and that's just the price is entering into a sideways channel, and there's nothing bullish about that. There's nothing bearish about it. It's just a neutral pattern. However, if you were to, force me into a corner and say, no, Clay, I want you to tell me bullish or bearish, you got to give the bulls the advantage. Why? Well, just from a trend perspective, and let me squeeze this down. From the overall trend perspective, you got to give the bulls the advantage. Now, that doesn't mean that for sure guaranteed the price is going to get some sort of breakout to the upside of the channel. But like I said, just playing the odds and playing the trend, right? Have you ever heard the saying, the trend is your friend? I mean, you'd be foolish to not have to side with the bulls right now. Once again, really just to reiterate, that does not mean the price is guaranteed to go higher. No such thing as a guarantee in the market. But as far as a rational thought to have, a logical thought to have, yeah, it's a sideways channel, which is a neutral pattern. But given the context that the neutral pattern is happening in, it's more than plausible to say that, well, yeah, I'm still going to give the advantage to the bulls. But on that note, if you haven't watched any of my past videos, just to assign some values here. So the top of the channel and that resistance area, that red line right up there is at $14.25. And then the bottom of the channel support right down here around $12.85. Actually got some confirmation that this is indeed an area of support. You can see this morning things got a little rough. Price was down around that area, but to give credit where credit's due, price got back above there and then just started to chop sideways again. So those are going to be the two main levels to watch going forward. But yeah, really not much else can be said until something happens. And again, something happening being either a breakout to the upside of the pattern or a breakdown to the downside of the pattern. But we'll see how this one closes out the week on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.